Hello everyone, welcome back to my first design team project for March for Kitaholic Kids. And today I am starting with a photo in Adelie's layout in Adelie's baby album. So it's a 12 by 12 layout documenting Adelie's first Christmas. So this page will go alongside a pocket page. Which means I didn't have to add much journaling, but I did want to showcase these two photos specifically. And it's a good way to show how you can use this kit that we got this month for Christmas documenting, because there's some beautiful reds and pinks and like little hints of green as well. So it's really easy to use this birthday themed kit for Christmas documenting. So that is what I wanted to show you here. I am going more with a bit of a like centered square kind of layout, and I'm really leaning into the pinks and the reds. So I wanted to map my 12 by 12 cardstock onto just that backing paper, and I use this like subtle confetti pink paper. And then you would see I cut down my little square, I think it's maybe 8 inches by, and the next one is 9 inches. And so I also wanted to mat them both and bring in the pink twice because I love that checkered pink, but I obviously didn't want to waste it. So I'm using the border, and I'm just creating little strips, as you can see. I do this a lot, and it works especially well with like plaid paper like this. Anyway, there you can see that's the center, and then because that is so contained and so square, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my photos at an angle. So these are just sorry about that, that's the Bubby in the background. These are just two 4x6 photos that I've matted on like just plain white paper, and then I'm sticking those down, and I like how that looks. And now I want to find a place for my title, so I'm using this little piece, this foam piece that says celebrate, and then I'm just going to pull some figures from my stash here, and I'm going to write celebrate your first Xmas. And I wrote Xmas because I couldn't be bothered writing Christmas and it didn't look like it was going to fit anyway, and I was right. So this is just a little photo and embellishment heavy layout, not really focused on the journaling because, like I said, that will go on the opposite side. I'm using these like dimensional stitched hearts from Vicky Bouton, and again, they don't really match the colors so much. Like that mint green and the blue don't fully match the colors on these photos, but they do match the colors on the opposite side. You might notice that this video is super fast. I've decided what I'm going to try to do is cut less out of my videos and just speed them up more so that they're faster, but you can still see the whole process. Let me know down below if you like that. Here I'm doing some stickles because I will never stop using stickles now that I've discovered that they exist. And then I thought that it just needed a little bit more. So I'm taking one of these little watercolor pens that we got in the mixed media add-on, and this is the one that's flamingo pink, and I'm just using it very gently to make a border, and then this layout is done. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you all again next week for another design team layout. I stumbled there a bit, sorry. Bye.